Students, we will continue again that our remaining topic of science first lesson. So next topic is photosynthesis. So what is the photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is made by two different words. First one is photo, which means light, and synthesis, which means putting together. So we will see the definition of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which a plant prepare its food using water, carbon dioxide and the chlorophyll in the presence of light energy. So photosynthesis is a type of process in which plant make their food. That means the food making process in plant is known as a photosynthesis. So by using our mother made food from different vegetables, rice, wheat. So same like that, plants also made their food by using different kind of materials like water, carbon dioxide and chlorophyll in the presence of light energy. Same like that, we need heat energy to cook our food. Same like that, plants also need light energy to make their food. So oxygen is produced as a waste product during this process. So when that process is going on, there is one waste material which formed in the plant, that is the oxygen. So we will see how oxygen has formed. So plants take water from the roots and it takes carbon dioxide. The formula of carbon dioxide is CO2. So plants take water from the soil, carbon dioxide from the air. Then with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll, it will convert it into sugar. Sugar is a type of food for the plant. That means we can call it as a glucose also. And again there is one thing made, that is the oxygen. That means oxygen is a waste material which is made in this process, and that oxygen exhaled by the plants through their leaves. The sunlight helps the leaves to remain green, and because of sunlight the leaves of plants all remains green. This is the reason why leaves turn yellow during winter, and that is why especially in winter that plants shed their leaves, and their leaves mostly become yellow in the winter season, because in winter season there is a very less sunlight. Some leaves appear to be of different colors because of the chlorophyll that was masking different pigments, and the other than green becomes less due to the shortage of light. So some leaves have green that have different type of color. That means not a exact green color, like some plants have little bit yellowish color, little bit reddish color, or white patches on that leaves. So why it is happen? Because chlorophyll present in that plant, but chlorophyll present at less quantity as compared to another pigments. That's why their color is not complete green. Or another reason is green, it becomes green other than green becomes less due to the shortage of light. When there is a shortage of light, that means when plant is not getting the proper sunlight, that leaves becomes little bit it will take little bit another color than other than green. Now the next topic is, how do plants use food? So what we have we have learned that plants make their own food by that process. But how plants use their food? So plants prepare food by photosynthesis. Now everyone knows that plants may prepare their food by the process of photosynthesis. The food produced by the plant is in the form of sugar, and we know that from that process we have learned that the food of plant is present in the form of sugar. So plants use this sugar to perform following functions. So that sugar, it means the food of plants. So how plants use that sugar or food? For them we will see it. The plants uses this sugar to grow and live. So plants use that sugar to grow, to bear food, flowers, etc., and to live also. The extra sugar produced is changed to starch and stored in the different part of the plant, such as in roots. So we know that plants made food, but sometimes it will make extra sugar, that means extra food. So what will plant do with that extra food? So that extra sugar, that means food produced, is changed into starch. So that extra food is changed into the starch and it is stored in the different part of plants. That means like in roots, stems, leaves, fruits, or sometimes in flowers also. So plants store their extra food in the roots, stem, leaves, fruits, or sometimes in the flowers also. For example, potato. The fruits, vegetable, nuts and grains like rice and wheat that we eat all contain the food prepared by the plants. So we all of you eat fruits, different kind of vegetable, nuts and grains, etc. Grains like rice, wheat, bajra, jowar, etc. So that all are the food of the plants. That means they all contain the food prepared by the plants. So our lesson has finished now. Again we will shortly overlook that lesson. Plants appear green due to the presence of chlorophyll in their leaves. So why plants appear green? Because of the chlorophyll presence in their leaves. Each leaf usually has one main vein and many side veins. So every leaf has one main vein and many side veins. The process by which green plants produce food using carbon dioxide, water and chlorophyll in the presence of sunlight is called photosynthesis. So the process of making food in the plant by using carbon dioxide, water and chlorophyll, that process in the presence of specially sunlight, that process is known as a photosynthesis. The food produced by the plant is in the form of sugar. So plants made their food in the form of sugar. The extra sugar produced in the plant is changed to starch. So what has done with the extra food prepared by the plant? It is changed into the starch and stored in the different parts of the plant such as roots, stem, leaves, fruits and some time in flowers. So the extra food made by the plant is stored in the roots, stem, leaves, fruits and some time in the flowers. So that is our chapter.